This is the No Direction group. Please watch.
Ang sarap ng nesting. Pabili nga ate.
Ayan, oh.
Ub, 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 ub. Ah, sarap. Ub, ub, ub. Appear.
Ilalagay ko sa tamang trash bin. Shoot!
We will interview the manager of the Green Tea Apple Juice. Please watch this. Hi, I'm from the Ateneo de Davao University, reporting in. This is the manager for the Green Tea Apple Juice. Why should we drink this nasty green tea apple?
Hi, good morning. I'm the manager of the Green Tea Apple Juice. It is so refreshing and it's so cool. Please drink this.
How can we help Mother Earth with this?
We can save Mother Earth by following the 3 steps. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. And put it in the right bin.
Hi, good morning. I'm from the Ateneo de Dove Grade School. I'm interviewing one of the group of Berkmans, and their group name is No Direction Group.
Hi, good morning.
How can we save our environment?
We can save our environment by planting trees so we can be safe on every flash floods will come and following the 3 steps by reduce, reuse, and recycle.
What happens when we cannot save our Mother Earth? And what is the effect of this?
Our Mother Earth will be destroyed and flash floods will come. Deforestations, earthquakes will appear and other calamities. Many lives will pass because of our irresponsibility and we should save it now. Thank you. Now we learn that our Earth, or we say Mother Earth, are in great danger. Now we do what we can to save it.